Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today, we would like to present our presentation about chemical control, insecticide toxicity, and in-case resistance to insecticides. But before going any further, let me introduce our group members. First is Dewi Zunita with study number 30. Second, Desi Nuryanti with study number 66. Third, Mufti Amatoha with study number 75. Fourth, Sifakni Nur Fatlika with study number 96. Fifth, Umun Zakia Masdia with study number 105. Sixth, Zalfan Hadalabiba with study number 137. And the last is Taufik Akbar Shah with study number 269. So, the first material will be
Definition of insecticide. Insecticides are substances or chemical compounds used to kill or eradicate insects. Various types of insecticides are on the market with various trademarks and sold freely. Insecticides are widely used in agriculture, health, industry, and even residential environments. Insecticides can affect growth, development, behavior, breeding, health, hormonal system, digestive system, and other biological activities to lead to the death of plant-disrupting insects. How insecticides work. How insecticides work in the body of insects is the way insecticides exert an influence on insects based on their influence in the body of insects. Insects can be exposed to insecticides through contact, mouth, and respiratory openings. Depending on the mode of entry into the insect's body, the way insecticides affect the body of insects generally through nervous system mechanism and inhibits energy production.
Classification of pesticide based on their toxicity. Pesticides are chemical compounds consisting of a mixture of other chemical compounds that are used as a tool to eradicate and control pests. Pesticides have the benefit of protecting plants and controlling disease. While the risk of pesticide is toxic to the environment and humans as well as the surrounding ecosystem. Toxicity is the level of damage to a substance when exposed to an organism or a condition that indicate a toxic or poison effect contained in a drug substance as a single or mixed dose preparation. Pesticide toxicity. According to Jojo Sumarto 2008, pesticide toxicity is the toxic power that is already possessed by pesticide so that it can have the potential to cause death in animals. The level of toxicity is divided into three kinds, namely, first, acute toxicity, the second, chronic toxicity, and the third, subchronic toxicity.
Based on the toxicity and class, synthetic organic pesticides can be classified into 1. Organochlorine group. There are extremely toxic, andrine or hexadrine, and moderate toxicity, aldrine, dieldrine, DDT, benzene, bromine hexachloride, or BHC, chlordane, heptachlor, and so on. Second is organophosphate group, extremely toxic, parathion, methyl, parathion, and azortine, Next is chlorpyrifos or Drusban, TEPP, metamidopos, fosfamidon, and so on. Second is moderate toxicity, dimethoate and malathion. And third is carbamide group. There are extremely toxic, amic, carbofuran, and metomyl, and moderate toxicity, bicon, landrin, carbaceal, and the chloritheners agents. Next. Insect resistance to insecticides. Resistance is the ability of insects to survive the effect of insecticides, which are usually lethal. In other words, pests develop resistance to some chemical through natural selection so that most organisms survive and pass on their genetics. Next.
The type of resistance. The first, single resistant, or phenomenon where pests are resistant to one type of pesticide that has been used. And the second, multiple resistant, the phenomenon is which a pest is resistant to more than one class of pesticide. This can happen if one pesticide is used until it displays pest resistant, and then another is used until they are resistant to that one, and so on. And the last, cross resistant, is a related phenomenon occur when a genetic mutation that makes a pest resistant to one pesticide also makes it resistant to another pesticide, especially one with a similar mechanism of action. Then, cause of insect resistance to insecticide. Lack of public knowledge about how to use insecticide properly has accelerated the emergence of resistance. The uncontrolled use of insecticide also caused the number of cases of resistance to grow in various countries, including Indonesia. According to Sudarpo, if one type of insect is resistant to an insecticide, the dose of insecticide must be increased. If the insecticide dose is increased, the development of insect resistance to insecticide will also increase. And then the use of the same insecticide often result in the development of insect resistance to insecticide, which will lead to control failure.
Some of the causes of insect resistance to insecticide are as follows. Number one, enhanced detoxification. Certain enzyme in the pest body works to make the pesticide non-toxic. Number two, decrease sensitivity of the target site in the pest body to pesticide. Number three, decrease the rate of pesticide penetration through insect skin. This is common in insect resistant to insecticide. And the last, pests avoid contact with pesticide. Pests stop eating, waiting until the pesticide dose is low enough. Next. Next. Insect resistant calculation formula to insecticide. A population have developed into a resistant strain if a higher dose of insecticide is required to achieve a certain mortality percent than previously required. Calculating the amount of resistance is known as the resistance factor, namely lethal dose 50 LD50 generation 2 divided by LD50 generation 1 Pranata 1986. Resistance is categorized is low if the RF medium RF sama dengan 11 until 40, high RF 41 until 160, and very high RF 160 RF resistance factor. Next.
Resistance management. The rate of increase in resistance is largely determined by human action in using and utilizing pesticides. Therefore, the only way to slow down the emergence and development of resistance, the strategy that must be pursued in resistance management that is carried out in an integrated, cross-disciplinary, cross-sectoral manner and include all stakeholders, including farmers, government, industry, and pesticide field officials. Pesticide resistant management is a combination of control technique with and without pesticide in such a way that individual resistant pests in the population remain at manageable and economically feasible level. Resistant management can also be applied in Indonesia in the following way. Number one, apply non-chemical control method, for example, crop rotation, installation of pest traps, spacing arrangement, etc. Number two, use pesticide if necessary, example, applying control threshold. Number three, rotate pesticide based on how they work. Number four, it is recommended to use selective pesticide rather than broad spectrum pesticide. Example, Bacillus thuringiensis, benzoyl urea, etc. Number five, using the right dosage of formulation concentration.
Pesticide resistance management strategy. According to Giorgio, to slow down the emergence of development of resistance population, three strategies can be used, namely one, moderation, two, saturation, and three, multiple attacks. Management with moderation aims to reduce selection pressure on pests, among others, by reducing doses and spraying less frequently. Saturation management aims to manipulate or influence insect defense properties against insecticides, both biochemical and genetic. Management with multiple attacks, among others, is carried about by rotating groups and types of insecticides that have different ways of working or modes of action. The presence of refugia is a mechanism to inhibit the development of resistance traits in the population because refugia is a source of individual immigrants who are still sensitive to pesticides. Thank you for your listening. May all that we have shared be beneficial for all of us. We would like to apologize if there is a mistake. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.